starting with the Member National Assembly, Mr. Osama Qadri, followed by Member Council Assembly, Mr. Wasim Qureshi, and followed by UC Nazim Fazil Khanzada Sahib. I also have some special guests who have visited us all the way from the other end of Karachi, Colonel Adil Shadad Khan and Madam Saleha Adil, an educationist. I'm very happy to see all of you here and a wonderful festival that has been organized by my team, by my teachers, by my workers, by my employees, and I'd like to congratulate all of you for the great success of this event. I'd like to tell my guests here that God Almighty gave me the vision and the courage to start from ground zero 20 years ago, exactly in the year 2000. And now it has been close to 20 years that we have made a mark not only in education but in sports, in debates, in character building, in judo karate, in trips, in debates, and you name it, and we provide our students from here. And even though the MPs have said that this is a Pasmanda Alaka, but let me remind them that in the Karachi board, which has close to 10,000 schools, our 150 students that go to take the metric exam every year, their result consistently is 91% to 98%. With more than half of our students getting A+, whereas the average result of the other 9,000 schools of Karachi is 45 to 55%. So even in education, we are far ahead of the rest of Karachi. So this only validates our MPS area of Karachi, although economically it needs to come up, and we need your service for that and your leadership for that. I am going to ask them to give an event here before we continue, and I thank my guests and my VIPs again. I'll also recognize two other very significant and important guests. One is Shahzadul Huda Sahab, Shanazul Huda, who is the President of United Schools Association, and Ravi Rizvi Sahab, who is the assistant with him. Thank you very much. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to be here. And I thank you, and let's continue with the function. Thank you.